I've got the rapper energy, but I can't rap. So I stay like, bap, bap, skitty, bap, bap, but I don't have any bap, bap. Like, there's nothing past the bap, bap. Hey guys, it's me, JamJamJamillah, and I have come back to give another video. Another video. Right, so I've just washed my hair. It's wet. It looks dry, but it's wet. And I am going to be using the famous Coco Eve hair mask, the Like a Virgin range. Don't make a crude joke. So I've been seeing this loads, like I've been seeing this everywhere. I feel like every time I go on Instagram, if I go on anything, there's an ad. Someone requested that I do it, so I was like, might as well. The only thing that was stopping me from doing it earlier is because I was like, well, you know, I use my conditioners and it's been fine, and this one's pricier than the rest, but I thought the results that I've been seeing have been amazing, so why not try it out? So yeah, so it says you have to shampoo your hair as normal, which I did, and then apply Coco Eve using the Tangle Tamer provided, evenly distribute and leave on for 10 minutes. Now, I usually leave on my conditioners and stuff overnight for 50 hours, 100 hours, 300 hours, 365 days, 4 weeks, 28 months. But I'm actually going to stick to what it says and just go by what they are saying to do. So I think this is so cute. Wear coconuts about hair. Oh, so am I. So in the box you get the hair mask and you get the Tangle Teaser. Oh, this is not a sponsored video, nor is it an ad. I'm just trying it out to try it out. But if Coco Eve would like to pay me, my contact details will be in the bio. So yeah. So open it. So it comes with the plastic Save Your Life. I call it Save Your Life. I don't know why I call it Save Your Life. I don't know why it's there. I think it's to preserve the freshness. I should have done an ASMR. ASMR? Okay, anyway. So I'll take... that smells really nice, actually. Don't think that this is going to go to waste, because it's not. It's going to go on my hair. That smells banging. Right, my only worry is this was so expensive and oh, it feels good in my hands. Ooh. Oh, this feels luxurious, this does. Thing is, my hair is so thick, so I'm hoping I don't have to use the whole bottle of this. I mean, already it feels like a dream. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Remember, this isn't paid, so I'm not lying about this. This smells edible. Is it edible? No, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not. I'm actually not. Whew. Guys, because my hair, it just won't go on everything if I don't use loads. So it's like, this is why I just I stick to ones that are just a bit cheaper. But the cheaper ones aren't necessarily the better ones. It's just cheaper. No, guys, this is just a glorious smelling product. Oh, it just feels like my hair feels actually more moistured already. Am I making this up, guys? I don't know. I feel like it just feels good. Ooh. Oh, it just... I think I'm just being extra. Am I being extra, guys? I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, cows that are trying to bust through. Guys, I swear I was a rapper, because the amount of ad-libs and stuff that I do for myself, I've got the rapper energy, but I can't rap. So I stay like, bap, bap, skitty, bap, bap, but I don't have any bap, bap. Like, there's nothing past the bap, bap. Sorry, there's a mirror behind the camera. Oh, I feel like... Oh, Coco and Eve. I mean... Okay, this has just been a glorious time. So, for the sake of not using it all in one vid, that's all I'm going to use. But I feel like it... okay, this is how much I've used in the container. Oh. And my whole hair feels covered. So, that's covered my hair. My hair's really thick. So, sorry, the remnants. Is this, I'm already a fan, I'm not gonna lie. So, this might be worth the investment. The continue. Now, I don't think this Tangle Teezer is gonna do anything for my hair, because many things have died due to my hair. RIP to the fallen. Combs, brushes, so many things that I've loved and then had to replace. Okay, anyway, but I'm gonna attempt to use their Tangle Teezer because, yeah, so let me move the mirror up so I can see what my head looks like. Right. So, I mean, oh, I don't know. Oh, actually, ooh. Okay. It might be working. Or I'm literally not actually penetrating the top. Like, no, it's working. Look, it's got to be in it. And when I do that, I can feel it hit my scalp. So it's going through the hair. Oh, okay, Tangle Teezer. Is this actually... Did they collab with the Tangle Teezer brand, or is this just their own thing? I don't know. But I'm going to say, okay, Tangle Teezer. Ooh. Ooh, and then the conditioner, look. It really is in the hair, because anytime your hair does that when it brushes, the product is definitely in there. Well, that's what I think. I don't know. Ooh. Ooh, look. Little razzle dazzle, flazzle wazzle. Okay, so the front stuff. Let me pay more attention to the back. The back. And I run my hands through it as I brush to see if the knots are coming out, and they are. So, okay, Tangle Teezer, doing what you doing or what you doing. And look, the Tangle Teezer is getting to my scalp, so it is going through the hair. It's popping. I think it's popping. Or whatever. Popping or whatever. Or whatever. I think this is working. Usually, when I put a conditioner on my hair, I put cling film on it because I don't put heat on my hair when I do conditioners. So I put cling film on it because that keeps the heat that comes from your head. And I feel like it works. Oh, guys, this is a good hair mask. I'm not even gonna lie. My hair feels really good actually. Like, it feels really nice, like really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna fight the funk, guys. Ooh. I'm not even gonna fight the funk. This is a nice hair mask. Oh, I love it. Oh, yeah. This feels lovely, this. And it smells so nice. Like, I will eat my hair, like. Oh. It actually is such a pleasant experience, this Coco Eve. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna fight the funk. It's just, it's already been a happy day, you know? I feel like today's gonna be a happy day. The sun's coming out more. It looked a bit grim this morning. Who knows, they might say we're off lockdown now. They're not gonna say that. Oh God, okay, so I'm feeling very, oh, my hair feels lovely. I'm not, hello, Coles. How are you? How are you, babes? Are you alright? Oh, I'm feeling real, I don't know. My hair feels light, it feels bouncy. Oh, it feels like a happy time, I'm not gonna lie. And this Tangle Teezer hasn't taken much of my dead hair out. I mean, it hasn't taken a lot of hair out of my head, which is good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is just... My hair is just... Oh, this is gorgeous. Guys, so far, this is worth the money. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would not stray you. Remember, this is not an ad. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me ordering some stuff off the Amazon and doing it for you guys to see, is it worth it? It is worth it. It's worth it already. I feel like, what can I invent today and make billions of pounds on? I just feel like, yeah, so you're only supposed to keep it in for 10 minutes. We've been filming so far for 14 minutes. I'm gonna leave it 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna come to you guys when I've washed it out, and then I'm gonna let you know how it feels or whatever. Or whatever. But right now I'm feeling like I own 75% of that business. business. No, I'm feeling cute. I still haven't washed it out, but I am feeling cute. It's still in, but I feel like, hey, hi sis, hi, like, how are you? Like, or not even sis. Hey boo, yeah, I'm single. Are you single? No, I really love it, guys. Like, I really love this hair mask. Ding 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 ding. Hey, I'm cute, you're cute, let's be cute together. Alright, now I'm being silly. Right, let me go wash it out. Okay guys, so as you can see, my hair is dripping still, but my hair feels so soft. Like, very, very, very soft. Much more manageable. And just amazing, really. It feels actually moisturized and it smells absolutely gorgeous. So I'm probably gonna give this product a straight 10 out of 10. I mean, a straight 10 out of 10, not even 9 to be modest, but it just feels nice. My hair feels healthy. It's still got a bounce to it. And yeah, this is before it's dried or whatever. But I definitely, if I would say invest into a more pricey hair mask, Coco Eve, guys, winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Definitely get you some Coco Eve.